Alright guys, we have made the trip to Melbourne and we are here for YouTube Vidcon. I'm calling Erin, who is the food and beverage manager here, and she's going to let us into the kitchen, behind the scenes, where all the food happens, where all the hard work happens, so we can check up on the food and do some catering. Hello, it's Guy here, how are you?
Yeah, we're almost there, got 95% of the way done.
Yeah, awesome.
And I'm just finishing off the lunch and evening stuff.
Okay, so it's all coming together. But this has to be the biggest kitchen I've ever seen in my life. It's huge. This is only one of about 30. Yeah. So like I said, we're at the exhibition centre or the convention centre here in Melbourne, and we are catering for Vidcon. So we're catering for the VIP lounge. It's where all the YouTube stars go to have a drink and get away from the, the crazy crowds. So we're going to check on the kitchen, we're going to taste some food, and then we're going to explore and have an awesome 3 days. You had a good day?
Yeah, so far.
Awesome.
Double.
It looks like everyone's pretty hungry. Feeding the masses. So it's lunchtime and I'm preparing my triple mushroom and truffle risotto for everyone. We got sang shui bao, we've got some poke bowls, and by the look of the crowd, everyone's had a pretty busy morning and are starving. Hello, mate.
Just finished in Melbourne. How's it feel?
Yeah, good. Success. Lots of food, lots of booze, lots of happy people. Time to go back to Sydney now, go for surf.